Identifiers in Verilog and SystemVerilog. Identifiers are names given to variables, modules, signals, tasks, functions, instances. They're used to reference objects in the code. Without identifiers, we cannot access or control parts of the design. Rules for identifiers can contain letters, A through Z, lowercase a through Z, digits, 0 through 9, underscore, $sign. Case sensitive. Capital D data and small d data are different. Maximum length 1024 characters. Identifiers can contain up to 1024 characters. Must start with a letter or underscore. Cannot start with a digit, be just $sign. Examples: reg, value, value is an identifier. Input, clock, clock is an identifier. Reg underscore data 1, valid. Reg temp $var, valid. Reg 1 value, invalid, starts with digit. Module 3 input gate, cannot start with digit. Keywords like reg, logic, int, wire are data types in Verilog and SystemVerilog. We will study data types in detail later. For now, focus only on identifier naming rules. Escaped identifiers. Normally, identifiers must follow strict rules, but sometimes you may want to use spaces, special characters, reserved words, names starting with numbers. In such cases, we use escaped identifiers. An escaped identifier allows you to use special characters or restricted names. Syntax: backslash, identifier name, space. Important, it starts with a backslash. It must end with a space or new line. That space tells the compiler the name is finished. Examples: module, backslash, adder, dash 32-bit, space. Contains hyphen. Wire, backslash, data, dash in, space, contains hyphen. Reg, backslash, 123, value, space, starts with number. Very important, space is mandatory. Module, backslash, backspace, dash demo, space. Space required after name. Int, backslash, abc, dash d, space. Space required. Initial, begin, backslash, abc, dash d equals 2, space. Space required. Display, backslash, abc, dash d, space, space before closing parentheses. End. If you forget the space, the compiler will give you an error. Why escaped identifiers exist? They're mostly used in auto-generated netlists, tool-generated names, or special naming requirements. In normal RTL coding, you rarely need them. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Verilog or SystemVerilog. They define language constructs like modules, data types, control flow, etc. Do not use keywords as identifiers unless you escape them using backslash. Verilog and SystemVerilog keywords are lowercase and case sensitive. These are the keywords list.